You might have heard whispers in the coin collecting world. Rumors that a tiny copper-colored German coin from 1979, a simple one Pfennig piece, could be worth not just a few dollars, but possibly hundreds or even thousands. And some even say it could be worth millions if the right error is found. Sounds unbelievable, right? Is it truth or not? Well, today we're diving into the story of the 1979 G1 Pfennig coin, a coin that looks ordinary at first glance, but hides a fascinating history and some surprising potential. Watch till the end, because the real worth may surprise you. Let's start with the basics. The coin we're talking about was issued by the Federal Republic of Germany, commonly known as West Germany at the time. On one side, you'll see the oak seedling, symbolizing growth, rebirth, and strength, surrounded by the words Bundesrepublik Deutschland and the date 1979. On the other side, you'll see the bold number 1, flanked by wheat stalks, and the word Pfennig. At the top, between the stalks, there's a small letter, in this case, G, which tells us the coin was minted in Karlsruhe. Let's know about its specifications. This coin was struck in bronze-clad steel, giving it a reddish-brown color and making it magnetic. It weighs about 2 grams and has a diameter of 16.5 millimeters, small, but with big history behind it. Millions of these were minted in 1979, making it a very common coin in circulation at the time. So, what's it worth today? For most 1979 G1 Pfennig coins, the value is modest. In circulated condition, they're usually worth just a few cents to collectors. In uncirculated mint state condition, you might see values between $2 and $15, and in some cases, a bit more for certified high-grade examples. A proof strike or pristine collector version could bring $20 to $30 or more at auction. But here's where things get interesting. Let's discuss rare minting errors that can change everything. While most 1 Pfennig coins aren't worth much, special minting errors can make them worth serious money. Let's look at some errors collectors love. Off-center strike, where part of the design is missing because the coin wasn't properly aligned. Depending on how dramatic, these can be worth $20 to $100 plus. Double die error, where the date, lettering, or design looks doubled. Strong examples can reach into the hundreds of dollars. Wrong planchet error. If a Pfennig was accidentally struck on metal meant for another coin, this could be worth hundreds, even over $1,000 if authenticated. Clipped planchet, where a piece of the coin's edge is missing. These often sell for $20 to $100 plus. Missing mint mark or major die break. CUD error. Rare mistakes like these can push the value into the hundreds or even thousands. Now the question is, can it be worth millions? So, can a 1979 G1 Pfennig coin ever be worth millions? Realistically, no. Unlike ultra-rare U.S. coins such as the 1933 Double Eagle or the 1794 Flowing Hair Dollar, German Pfennigs were minted in huge numbers and don't have the extreme rarity needed to reach million-dollar prices. But that doesn't mean they're not exciting to collect. With the right error or condition, your small 1 Pfennig coin could still turn out to be a hidden treasure worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, a massive return for something that might otherwise be forgotten in a coin jar. So the next time you come across a German coin like this, don't dismiss it too quickly. Take a closer look, check for mint errors, examine the details, and you just might discover that your little copper coin carries a much bigger story than its tiny size suggests. And who knows, that's the magic of coin collecting. Sometimes, the most ordinary-looking coins hide the most extraordinary surprises. That's the story of the 1979 G1 Pfennig coin.